Are you seeing the Instagram Complete a Security Checkup pop up on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to solve the Instagram Complete a Security Checkup pop up on iPhone. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Update your recovery contact. First, open up the Instagram app. Then, tap on your profile icon below. Next, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top right corner. Now, tap on Account Center. Then, tap on Personal Details. After that, tap Contact Info. Now tap Add New Contact below. Add a new email or phone number as you want. Like, I want to add email. Tap on Add Email Address. Now here, enter the email address. Then, tap Next from the bottom. A verification code will be sent to your mail. Enter the code here. And then again, tap Next. And there you have it. Your new email has been added. Once the new info is confirmed, you can delete the old one. This change signals to the 2026 security AI that a human has manually secured the account. But if still you are facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Offload Instagram app. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app. If you don't find the Instagram here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on Instagram. Then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall app. Go to Home screen. Tap and hold the Instagram icon. Now, tap Remove app. Then, tap Delete. Again, tap Delete to confirm deletion. Now, go to the App Store and install this app again. Then log into your account and see whether the issue is gone. Hope your issue is fixed now. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.